Now let's introduce those buttons. This is for vacuum pump to absorb material, and this is for clamp. Clamp is means this and another side has one, two. Those two press down because machine will need connect to air compressor. After you connect air compressor, it will be up at the upside. After you press this clamp, this two pressure will down to press the material on the table, and 这个是拉料是吧？拉料的。This is a puller is for moving the material. Let me show you. And this is for find the last time. 现在找这个定位。This is for find the last time XY position, and if you move the head by this button, forward button. After you find a position, you want to make it as the start produce position, you press this XY position. Then after you move it to be another place, then you back to press this button. It will automatically find the position you set for start produce. And this is the track is for the frame of cutting. The design file you want to cut. It is for frame tracking. And this reset system reset is means all those axes to be back reset, and those buttons could be single axes to be reset. Escape. And this is the user parameter. Usually you don't need to adjust it. And this factory button, all those please do not change by yourself. If you need change, you must under engineer suggestion. And the other parameter, there is a language you can use it. Only language you can use. No need adjust other. Now we are going later. We will introduce the tool set.